The Honest Boy. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Ollie. He lived in a small village with his mother. They were very poor, but Ollie was always honest and kind. One day, Ollie was walking in the market. Suddenly, he saw a wallet on the ground. He picked it up and looked inside. There was a lot of money in it. Ollie thought, "My mother needs this money. We can buy food and clothes." But then he stopped and said, "No, this is not mine. I must return it." He asked people in the market, "Whose wallet is this?" After some time, a rich man came and said, "It is mine. I lost it." Ollie gave the wallet back to him. The rich man checked it and said, "All the money is here. You are a very honest boy." He was very happy and gave Ollie a reward. Ollie took the reward and thanked him. When Ollie went home, he told everything to his mother. His mother smiled and said, "I am proud of you. Honesty is the best policy." Ollie felt very happy because he did the right thing. Moral: always be honest, even when it is difficult.